I'm not sure this noise is going to pick up, but it's not pleasant. Lots of noise. We of course meant to make a random post on Facebook asking what our noise is, but getting the stethoscope probably seems more practical. So Joseph's using the stethoscope to have a listen to any points behind rotating assemblies like bearings. Listen to the top of covers, handbelt covers.
Somewhere in there.
Good. Step 2, remove the auxiliary belt. We'll turn the engine off first though. No noise, Jase.
Just leave it off.
Just leave it off, yeah. Doesn't run the water pump. I reckon it's that one.
Yeah, that one did sound quite noisy.
It sounded more at the top to me.
Yeah, that one did sound noisy to me.
Right, let's press a new bearing on it. There you go, air vent. I have already undone it. I got my 14mm socket in there. I'll press some bearings in. It's only been running for a few minutes with the flush in it, so I'll do this bearing, put it back together, and then I'll let it run for a bit longer. Gear off the hook. Do you want to polish those headlights? Make them tickety-boo. It's quite hot. Now I do have a video of doing this job. Woohoo! Now I am quite fortunate, guys. I do have these bearings, assemblies, brand new in the cupboard if this doesn't work. There's the replacement bearing. We'll get a number, eh? There's the replacement bearing that I got for it. And they'd use these on some of the 3uz. Some of the ones using VVTIs, they're the wider bearing. And they have this sleeve in it. So I'm going to set up on the vise and basically press the sleeve out of one into the next one. And then it all goes into here. So when you're doing it, you just put it like that, and then it goes. Same deal on the vise. Right, we're just going to slip this back in. This is the old bearing now. This is the replacement. Ooh. No noise.
Yeah, we've got those things with the motor that goes this way. The pistons go this way.
The Barus.
Yeah.
Subaru go work on a Subaru. Have fun.
So the intermittent injector not working.
Right. But it's better than intermittent number 2 piston not working. Being Subaru.
So it did take the head off.
Oh no. Slip the belt back on. Ooh. This thing's still quite hot. Wow, most of the noise is gone. Oh, that's a nice easy repair. Just pressing a top bearing in. You also press one into the tensioner assembly as well. These days when I do a cam out, I pretty much always do those 2 external bearings just as a matter of course, just part of the job now. She's good.